I'm sure the more I'm going to do that.
Right, me I should know what you again. So I come in there eat. Oh. Back to my channel. So I'm gonna cook again. So this is my show no. I know some people can say, I'm gonna eat that. But I just feel for this, alright? So I'm gonna show you know, I'm gonna cook. You understand me? You understand me?
Chicken curry, chicken foot with some pumpkin and banana. So I want to cut off the nails because you don't want to eat these, you know. Okay? So I'm gonna just cut them off, season it up, and you guys watch the process, okay? Okay, yeah. Guys, who want to eat chicken nails? No one. You have to cut them off, okay? You have to. So let's begin because you know that this takes a while. So when I'm finished with this, when I'm like this, just so yeah.
So your girl here, your girl Angel, Life with Angel, back in the building, back. I'm so stupid. Can you let me yourself? Girl. Guys, but now the way my ear is taller than this. It's short to me, but whatever. Something new. So, I don't know if Jamaica have a bad, not them. So look at how. Who is she? Girl, get off the girl phone. Okay, so I'm eating a rock cake. Guys, it's tough. If we're not like do a rock cake competition, I tell you no. I have to show them I put olives in your mouth. But I'm gonna eat turtle. This is the spicy one. You have the one without the spice. And yes, Madam Zaya is. I'm Petagaye cook. I'm going to cover a vlog like on my phone. Anyways guys, remember to go on my channel and subscribe. Get me to 1,000. If you look at that, we don't know. We don't understand this. If we know what more them energy out, we eat first.
Remember we go live, you know.
Okay, so if you know what them energy, yeah, then look who make on a laugh and come over to my channel, okay? Okay. What she said? Okay. You can't say. But anyways, Petagaye said she's gonna start go live everywhere.
Maybe every other day, some of the day I'm gonna post my live, or maybe every night and just check on my skin. Make sure you subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe to my sister channel. I'll follow up on IG at.
I'll make sure I send you follow on Instagram. But if you don't have an Instagram, not worry, the live will be on YouTube, okay? So don't worry about it.
You don't want to fool? You got me something.
Never want to give me none. Yeah, cool.
This is hard to broke, man. I'm getting more tired. I'm more tired, man. Hey yeah, guys.
Still come show them more. I have to do that.
Right, me I should know what piece again. I
don't know, so the bad chef at the end of the building. So I have our onion, our scallion and pepper. That curry over there, so? Yeah, curry.
Yeah,
Curry.
You have the mixed seasoning.
Yeah, mixed seasoning.
Then you have the all-purpose chicken and the hot pepper, scotch bonnet hot pepper. Must they have one chopping?
And this is the chicken food already down. I know this is already with. Because they're in the kitchen, chef.
But the pimento, I want it for pimento.
Yeah, I think right.
Guys, when I cook, I love cooking pimento. Some people don't like cooking pimento, but give me the flavor. And I see if I have a piece of ginger, it's bad. So, then I just go and do the dough, and then I soon share the hard food I'm going to eat. I tired of rice, I tired of flour. So that me I just go and do the dough, you know. Guys, wash them already, so don't think I did not wash.
Don't think like she don't wash.
And chin like when I cut the pepper and cut up the seed and the pepper.
Yes, we like it and we like tasting food hot. Even if you do a hot food challenge or something.
So that me I do. And then maybe, who knows, maybe while this cooking I'll be on live, so I don't know. So that and so I should also check out Chin channel. Chin must tell them to follow Chin on Instagram. And everybody has said like my intro. Chin make my intro, so link her up. Chin, I never tell them about your intro. We are talking now. I never remember.
Me got tell them.
Alright.
As we see the guys, I'm going to tell them about my intro and all of that. So I make intro, outro, banner and all that, poster and all that. So guys, go and follow the Angel Graphics on IG. I think she'll put it right here or in the description box below. And also you guys can go and follow my friend. Her name is Xavier World on Instagram. Yeah, but on Instagram and YouTube. So you guys can definitely check her out, guys. And remember to subscribe to my channel for pranks, challenge and all them lovely stuff there. If you're in that table with stuff that I don't want to see, so I don't want to laugh during them time here, just come over to my channel and we dance and all of that. Just come over to my channel and I promise you, you won't regret it. You won't regret it. Period. What do I do? So yes guys, I'm excited. Only can't believe say. Petagaye, you sure they want me the ball? From reach 300 subscribers?
If it's not up by now, it should be up by 10 hours.
It's in my ball. Like, I'm really grateful. Like, that's something big for me. You don't know about anybody else. Imagine when I'm 8,000, guys. And I got to tears. I'm very emotional. And I'm very kind-hearted and so. Me have the last, I'm going to give you. Petagaye now, she's a devil. I joke, she's an angel.
Exactly. I don't know nothing bad, man.
So guys, my heart is very blessed and everything. So yeah. Thanks for watching Petagaye vlog. I think I time for my going over because I can say your channel. I do, me alone said something.
How much do I like it?
Let me go water this thing on the bubble. Alright. So guys, I'm going to peel the banana now. I have the pumpkin in the pot already. But before I start, you have to have some oil. It doesn't really matter what kind of oil to put on your hand to get rid of the stain. You know? Just a little bit, not really a lot. And just rub it up in your hands like that. You don't want your hand to be stained up on all these things. Just rub it and like this. And then let's do the banana. I cut both ends and then I just go like this. Most people I know, they don't know to peel banana. I don't know how people peel banana like them have on nails, but without nails I peel banana very, very fast. I just drop it in the pot, and if I see anything like this, I just cut it, because you can't eat that, you know. And that's why I peel a simple banana. Let me just peel all of these right now, so yeah. Guys, I finished peeling banana them. I wish I was in the country and I have some goat or some animal on the back of the yard. I give the banana skin to. Anyways, let me show you my pot. So this is what's happening right now. I'm pumpkin. So it's a one, and the meat it finished ready. So you know that banana and pumpkin really take a long time, and the pumpkin already going already. So let's see. See, it's actually ready already. So just need a couple more minutes. Because I'm just put in a banana and just things. So I'm just gonna lock it down now and sing. So yeah, it is dinner. So yeah. Guys, bon appetit. We come here. With the pumpkin there. Guys, chicken foot and banana and pumpkin. You know, say, this well cooking man, and then banana is soft.
Wicked soft, you know.
How?
Look at them see when they're tasty.
Yeah. Them by me. Ooh, guys, let me know if it, what you like. Be like brown stew chicken foot or curry chicken foot, and let me know. Yeah. Done by me. Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I'm trying to do a video. The pumpkin, yeah. Yes, please. Anyway, I'm going to want this type of video. I'm going to start with this video and watch. So, guys, put my ear already. So, yeah. Guys, don't forget to tell you, I was drinking a bad juice and I put it in my cup. I had some water. Refreshing. She's do one video, so stay tuned for behind the scenes. This is just behind the scenes, so check out her channel to see what she's doing. So chill when that video you're gonna post.
Day after tomorrow.
Alright.